Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes, and today I am going to take your next class. As we discussed in our previous video, the class 10 chapter 1 chemistry, physical changes and chemical changes. So we will start our topic, physical changes and chemical changes. Now come on the topic, what is the physical changes? Here is given some example, freezing of water, melting of wax, boiling of water. These are the physical changes. When freezing of water takes place, melting of wax takes place, boiling of water takes place, you can say these are the physical changes. What happen in water? When water is freezes, then it converted into the ice, and ice is the another form of the water, though that is called the physical changes. And melting of wax is also the physical changes, boiling of water also the physical changes. These are the some examples of the physical changes. And what happen in physical changes, some points are given below. What happen in our physical changes? Its composition remains same. You can say that in physical changes, compositions does not converted in any other form, it remains same, and the original substance does not lose their identity. You can say the original substance always remain in its same identity, it does not lose their identity. It affect also the physical property. Physical changes affect only the physical property of the substance, like shape, size. These affect this property of the substance, not affect the other property like chemical property or other property of the any substance. It affect only the shape, size, state of the substances. Only physical changes occur, in physical form occur changes, okay, not in chemical or other occur. Next is the no new substances is formed. You can say no new substances is formed in physical changes. It means when water is boiled, then there is no new substance is formed, water is remain. And when water is converted into ice, you can say that there is no new substance is formed. Ice is the form of the water also, okay. So these are the some points. It is a temporary change and reversible. It is a temporary change, it is a temporary, not permanent change. Physical changes are the temporary changes, and it not permanent changes. It converted again in its original form. Then you can say when ice is melt, then it converted into water again. That is called the physical changes. These are the physical changes which are written here. These are the physical changes. I think you can understand easily the physical changes. I repeat my sentences again. What is the physical changes? Please repeat with me. What is the physical changes? Physical changes, some example of physical changes here. What is the example of physical changes? Physical changes: freezing of water, melting of wax, boiling of water. These are the physical changes. What is the physical changes? Freezing of water, melting of wax, boiling of water. These are the physical changes. And in physical changes, its composition remains same. In physical changes, its composition remains same. That is, the original substance does not lose their identity. That is, the original substance does not lose their identity. It means it remains in their original identity, okay. It affects the physical properties only. It affects the physical properties only, like state, shape, size, etc. of the substance. It affects the physical properties only, okay. It affects the physical properties like state, shape, size, etc. okay. New substance is formed. No new substance is formed in physical changes. No new substance is formed in physical changes. Like when ice is converted into water, then it again in the form of water. You can say that no new physical substances is formed in physical changes, okay. Now come on the next point. It is the temporary change. Physical changes are the temporary changes, not a permanent changes, and also the reversible changes. Physical changes or also the reversible changes. You can say that when water is converted into ice, then ice again converted into water. These are the reversible changes, okay. Now come on the chemical changes. What is the chemical changes? Now next is our topic is chemical changes. What is the chemical changes? As here the name written, what is the chemical changes? It now come on the some example of the chemical changes. Digestion of food. You know very well, we eat food daily, and how our food is digested in our body. Example: digestion of food, burning of coal, and rusting, etc. These are the example of the chemical changes. Example: digestion of food, burning of coal, and rusting, etc. is the example of digestion of food. Okay, then its molecular composition is changed entirely. In chemical changes, its molecular composition completely changed. Its molecular composition completely changed. New substances are formed. You know very well, in chemical changes new substances are formed. New substances, digestion of food, you know very well, when digestion of food takes place, then we get energy and some simplest form of the glucose. Okay, it is a permanent. It is a permanent. When our food is digested, then again we can't get undigested food. Okay, this is the permanent process. This is the irreversible. You know very well, this is the irreversible process. When our food is digested, we can't irreversible it. This is the absorption and evolution of energy takes place. In this changes, means in chemical changes, absorption and evolution of energy also takes place. It means in some reaction absorption of energy takes place, and in some reaction evolution of energy takes place. Both are takes place in chemical changes. Chemical reactions has taken place. When chemical changes occur, then chemical reaction taken place in the this. Okay, it is the chemical changes. I repeat my topic again. Its molecular composition is changed entirely. Its molecular composition is changed entirely. New substances are formed. In this, new substances are formed. Digestion of food, burning of coal and rusting of iron, etc. is the example of this. It is a permanent. It is the permanent. It is not temporary. It is irreversible. It is irreversible. You can't reversible it. The absorption and evolution of energy takes place. In this process, absorption and evolution of energy both takes place, and chemical reaction has taken place. When it occurs, then chemical reaction has taken place in these changes. So this is the our topic, physical changes and chemical changes. Hope you can understand it very well. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will also provide you the class 9th video. So at 3 p.m. Thank you so much. Thank you for the watching. Thank you. This is Surbhi here. Please join me, and thank you. Thank you so much.